Do you want to know how I got 400 plus views on my YouTube Shorts and 4,000 views on my Instagram Reels? Many people would rather learn about something new or improve their skills by watching short videos. I'm one of them. Hi, my name is Yukiko Sato because I hear things like, I want to grow my channel, but I don't know how to grow my views. Or I don't know where to start or anyone who can teach me. I am hosting a free vertical story video weekend challenge this month. The key to making high impression YouTube shorts or Instagram reels is storytelling. I will help you organize your story or message to deliver it to many targeted audiences. There are a lot of benefits you can get from creating a story video. So, would you like to join me? Please click the link below and share your feedback with me. See you soon!